Present.
Let's go see your present. Come on.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
Christmas.
You ready? What is that? Wow! Look at that! You got your own kitchen.
Wow.
You can cook. Look, you even got eggs and bacon already. Look, you got a phone. You got your look, you got your oven. You put stuff in the oven.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's your dishwasher. Look. We got a microwave with
pancakes.
In them. And then here's a freezer. Freezer's got some bread.
Just let them explore it.
What do you say?
Can you say thank you, Oma?
Thank you, Oma.
You say I love you, Oma and Papa?
I love you, Oma, Papa.
Yeah. Y'all need to share. Okay. Look, there's ravioli noodles in there. Here, just get something out of the fridge here. And you can cook. An orange, that's right. A cheese. You gonna cook your cheese?
Cheese. Oh, like that.
There's tomatoes. And sandwich, yeah.